Alright, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 352. It's another pack of Ultimate 12th edition, courtesy of 643boxbreaks.com. And here's our players. Aaron's got A. Brian with Backstrom and Boucher. Adam picked up the Bork group. Dan's got C. Tynam's got D. Mav. Adam's got F. Chappie G. Phyllis. Tynam grabbed the last team, Hunter. Phyllis I. Aaron. Piranha Guy Dan got K. Shane Dog. 420 Mike with the Lupo group. I'm never going to hear the end of that Forsberg stick. We got Mav and 420 Mike and T-Boss with O. Big Kid, Little Kid picking up the P. P did well in the last one. We got Aaron, Shane Dog. Got Chris. TiVo. Paulie looking for that Stevie Y hot box again. Phyllis. And actually Phyllis bought the slab, but I had to mark her paid because I didn't have the slab box ready. Which I do now, but you know, I didn't think I'd have it ready in time for the break, so I'm giving Phyllis 3 free darts. Plus, I know she's looking to get that Guy Lafleur redemption, and she's really close. So here, first thing we do, 3 free darts for Phyllis. Just because I had to take away your slab that you paid for. A single 8. A double 6. And there's a close. Oh no, double 19. So 3 darts for Phyllis. Hopefully that closed one for you, and you can redeem for that Guy. No, haven't done it yet, bud. You're just in time. So here's our pack, factory sealed box of Ultimate or pack, factory sealed pack of Ultimates, 12th edition. Good luck to you guys. Okay. No worries, Dan. So, sealed box. Well, starting off with the silver base. And it's going to Tynam, picking up that last team. Silver base, number 9 of 30, Brett Hall. It pays to pick up that last team all the time. And we got a... Oh, nice. And we got another guy who's in the room, picking up one of the last teams. Is Adam. If you like Montreal, you'll like this Zachary Foucault autograph out of 24. He was just drafted by Montreal. So he's the future of Montreal after Carey Price, maybe. There we go. And wow, this is a horrible box, actually. I thought this card would be great, but it's not that great. And it's going to the Shane Dog. Triple gold. Nicholas Lidstrom out of 24. Number 1 of 24. Oh, that's got to be one of the worst packs of Ultimate I've seen in a long time. That's a Sweden jersey. Triple gold glove. Brett Hall silver, number 30, and the Foucault. Alright, sorry guys. Thanks guys for bidding, and hopefully she's a little better next time.